So we need to make a Windows Form app. Let's call it Quiz Basic. You need to save this in the P, else it won't work. I'm on my laptop, so yeah. Quiz Basic. Okay, so this is just going to be a single form, and the questions are going to be on it. There are lots of different ways you can do this. I'm just going to step through the most basic version. So first thing I want to do is change the name of the form to quiz, just because. And then I want to change the color of it. The background color can go from that to who doesn't like peach puff. There we are. So much better. The way that this is going to work, actually, we're going to do a really simple version, which is just a gigantic button here. So button start quiz. Okay, and yeah, text start quiz. Oh, needs a space in that, and that's way too small, especially given the ridiculously large size. So let's go with 72 in bold, and why not go with that font? Amazing. So double click it, and as you can see, button start quiz, don't click. This version, everything we do is going to be inside here. So the first thing we need a variable for player score, need a variable for answer, and then ask question, check answer, if question equals answer, add to score and praise, otherwise tell them they're wrong, repeat until the end of the quiz, give overall score. So that's one way you can make a program. Just putting comments like that is a simple way to scaffold it. So need a variable for player score, so we want to declare it. Let's just go with a simple one as player score as integer, because it's just a simple number. So okay, next we need a variable for an answer, answer as string. Let's just pretend that's, yeah, that should be fine. Okay, so ask a question. The way we're going to do it on this is going to be, so we're going to show use an input box. So input box, let's come up with a question. What is the capital of the UK? Okay, so that's ask the question, but we need to receive the answer. So let's do answer equals input box. Now, type that better. Answer equals input box. What is the capital of the UK? Is it? Yeah. Title. Let's have question 1. I only need one of those. Okay. Let's just test that, because it's always useful to test to see if it's actually working, instead of waiting until the end and then having the whole thing be broken. So let's just see if this works. So, ooh, unused local variable, that's irrelevant. Start quiz. Yeah, what is the capital of the UK? And it has the title of it, London. Perfect. That's the end of video 1.